welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. I'm Aisha, and today I have yet another wig video for you guys. I literally forgot that they sent me this wig like a couple days ago, and I just wanted to do this and get it out the way before I like completely forget to just do this video. It's also Monday right now. It's September the 25th, meaning my birthday is in like a couple hours, September the 26th. So I just want to make sure I have this out by Wig Wednesday. So I'm just gonna hurry up and do this right now. This is gonna be like one of the quickest videos ever. But this wig is from Outre, and she is a part of the Melted Hairline collection. This is in the style Shakira, and she is a glueless unit. She is 26 inches and in the color 1B, but also comes in 1, 2, 4, golden honey blonde, hazelnut brown, creamy ash blonde, ginger brown, and lots of other colors like that. I just decided to get her in a basic like off black color just because I kind of fell out of love with like dark hair because I was getting so many like brown wigs and ginger wigs and stuff, so I kind of wanted to just start trying brown hair again. But yeah, we're just gonna try her on and see what she's talking about. This is what she looks like fresh out of the packet. It's giving like water wave kind of. She's also 26 inches and does not look that long when I'm holding her out, but if I hold her to my body, like it looks really long. But I'm about to try this on. I'm not gonna glue this down or anything, so I'm not gonna show you like putting it on, I don't think, just because I'm not gluing it down. Like it says it can be glueless, so I'm just gonna make it glueless. And so I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have her on. I think I'm just gonna like comb it out a little bit. This is very much glueless. Like, okay, so this side is combed out. This side is not combed out. I don't know if you can like, oh, you can tell a little difference. It's like very tight on this side. I'm gonna comb up the other side. Ooh, this is like very soft, very cute. Yeah, here's what she's looking like. Yeah guys, as always, the link to this wig will be in the description. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so sorry this video was really quick. I'm like running out of storage on my camera, and I just need to get this video out right now. So hopefully I can get this out by Wig Wednesday. And yeah, bye.